Hi friends, today I am going to tell you that how to create a VM machine on the VM platform. So first of all, I will start the VM platform. There is okay. So this is called VMware Workstation. So in this video, I will create a virtual machine. Virtual machine is that machine it will create on your laptop on the virtually. So you will give the everything on the virtual like RAM, hard disk, and processor. You will give to the virtual. So friends, I I will create a new virtual machine from here. There is create a new virtual machine, so I will click here. They are showing that the typical and custom, so I will create a custom. Okay, then click next. Choose the virtual machine hardware compatible. One limitation, that is the limitation: 128 GB memory, 32 processor, 10 network adapter, 8 TV disk hard disk, 8 GB shared graphic RAM. It is the limit of the virtual machine that you can assign the memory of 128 GB, 32 processor, 10 network adapter, and 8 TB hard disk size, and 8 GB shared graphic memory. So I will, that is a limit. I'm not going to provide uh, these type of, this is showing the limit. And just I'm going to click next. So here is, if you have any installation CD, then you will click here, and you will select the CD and DVD, and anything to the USB you can select here. And if you have a ISO file in your laptop, then you will click here installer disk image file. So you will click here the browse, and this is there is the Windows 10 Pro. So I will click here and then open, showing that uh, E slash Windows 10 Pro. So it has been selected the path, and then I will click the next. There is showing that Windows virtual machine. So I will click, I will rewrite Windows 10, Windows 10 VM. Okay, and this is the location where you want to put your machine files. So I will choose in my D drive, because I have a lot of space in D drive. Sorry, E drive. There is showing that E drive, and I had already create the new folder VM folder. If you want to create another new folder, then you will create here. So this is the VM folder, and then I will click here. Okay. So friends, there is showing that the location E slash VM folder. So then you will click the next. So here form your types. There is a UEFI secure boot. So I will click the BIOS. Okay, and then next. They is showing that the number of processor is limit, and just the here is showing that the limit is 32. Only you can the assign of the number of process 32. So I will click 1, and number of core per processor here is 2. Okay, so total processor core processor is 2. So I will click on the next, and there is showing that the virtual machine memory. So it is called the RAM, random access memory. So I'm just giving this 2 GB. Okay, so there is only 2 GB memory, and just click on the next. Yeah, this is the use network address translation. Give the guest operating system access to the host computer dial-up or external Ethernet connection using the host IP. This means that it will receive the network from your host machine on which you are creating the virtual machine. So it will take from your host machine. So click on the next. This is the SCSI controller. So you will click the LSI logic SAS. So you will next here. And virtual disk type, you will NVMe recommended. So you will click here and then next. And there is showing that create a new virtual disk. A virtual disk is a composed of one or more files of the host file which will appear as a single hard disk to the guest operating system. Virtual disk can easily be copied and moved on the same host or between hosts. So it means that it will create a separate virtual disk so that you can move that files in anywhere. So it means that it will create a separate virtual disk. So I will click here and then next. Yeah, here is the create a maximum disk size 60 GB. I will locate to the 60 GB to this virtual machine. So you will click on the next, and there is the 60 GB virtual disk will be created using multiple disk file. The disk file will be automatically named based on the file name. So here, and it will create multiple files, uh, these type of things. Click on the next. There is showing the details of hardware what you have assigned to the virtual machine, and then power on this virtual machine after creation. It will automatically power on when I will click on the finish. Creating disk. It will automatically power on. Yeah, there is showing that, and this is the showing process of the virtual machine, and it will automatic install the Windows 10 because already you have created, already you have everything assigned to the machine, and just this is the normal process to the install the Windows 10. And just I'm going to show you where is location of the VMware. Yeah, there is local disk E. You will go there, and this is a VMware. There is showing that the multiple files of the Windows. So here is the files of the Windows virtual machine. So this is the whole process to create the virtual machine on your physical system. Yeah, this is the installing process. So this is the way to create your VM, and you can create a multiple VM from this platform. So guys, thank you for watching this video.